Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Honda Pilot faster. We'll start by looking at engine tuning, which can unlock more power from your vehicle's existing engine. Next, we'll discuss how a better air intake system can help your engine breathe easier, leading to improved performance. Finally, we'll touch on the benefits of reducing overall vehicle weight for quicker acceleration and better handling. Let's dive into the details. For a noticeable power bump, consider a performance tuner. These devices can add a significant amount of horsepower and torque, often between 20 and 40 horsepower, by optimizing engine parameters. Pairing this with a cold air intake system is highly effective. A cold air intake ensures your engine receives cooler, denser air, which is crucial for combustion efficiency. Additionally, an upgraded exhaust system can further improve performance by reducing restrictive back pressure, allowing gases to exit more freely. Reducing your pilot's weight is a cost-effective way to boost acceleration. Simply removing unnecessary items from the cabin and cargo area can shed 50 to 100 pounds. For a more significant impact, consider lighter aftermarket wheels and tires. These reduce unsprung weight, which directly translates to quicker acceleration and improved handling dynamics. Finally, upgrading your suspension components can enhance stability and allow for faster, more confident cornering, making your pilot feel much more agile. For those seeking the ultimate power boost, forced induction is an option. Adding a supercharger or turbocharger can dramatically increase your pilot's horsepower, often by 100 horsepower or more, transforming its performance. With such significant power increases, upgrading your transmission becomes essential to handle the extra torque and ensure smooth, reliable shifts. Remember to check the description for links to these performance parts and other great deals, including the Owala water bottle to keep you hydrated on your adventures. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.